Let us add two mixed fractions. Are you ready? Let's go. 2 1/4 plus 1 2/5. So I'm going to take a rectangle. Now if I'm going to represent 2 1/4 first, then I will need how many rectangles? I heard you said 2. You're correct. Now let me get rid of this one. Good. All right. So I'm going to make 2 of this one. So this is 2 rectangles. Good. Now I will need a quarter. So it means then I'm going to have to take another rectangle. But this time I'll have to divide it up into what? Into quarters. So let's divide it up into quarters, right? So split in half. Another. And another. Look, that's not done properly. Let's fix that up, right? Let's fix it up. Let's fix it up. So we're going to do it in half first. Then we're going to split this half and split this half. Good. So now I can shade. So here, I take in a quarter from the whole and I'm going to shade these so it represents 2 1/4. So there you have it. So that's 2 quarters. 2 1/4. Then now I'm going to represent 1 2/5. So this time I will need another whole. There we go. So I have to take another whole now. Another whole. And divide it in how many parts? I'm going to divide it into 5 parts. So here we are. Let's kind of increase it a bit. So let's kind of do it like this. Now you can use your paper folding method to give me to do what I'm doing if you so wish. All right. So now we have 5, but guess what? We only need 1 2/5. So I'm going to shade this one to represent it and 2/5. So that's 1 2/5. Now, what's the easiest thing to do? The easiest thing to do is to add the wholes first, right? So that would be 3. So therefore, we'll now have what? 1 and 2 is 3. The 1 and 2 will be equal to what? 3. Now we're going to work out now adding a quarter to 2/5. All right, so we're going to use a method we call the area model method. So first we're going to divide this into quarters first. This is like the grid that you used earlier. Let's see if we can move these things up further so we can get our quarters. And then we're going to use this one. Good. All right. Then we're going to divide into the fifths now, using the other way around. And here we have our fifths. It's not that accurate, but we're going to fix it up a bit, all right? Fix it up a bit. So it can look decent. Ah. So there we go. So now we can count the number of boxes left now to determine our denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we got 20. Then now, to determine our numerator, we're now going to shade a quarter of it first. So we're going to use a different color. So we're going to use yellow to shade. So we're going to shade a quarter. So here's a quarter. So a quarter would be like this. That's a quarter, right? Then now we're going to shade. So a quarter of it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 20ths. Good. And we could write that somewhere. We could have that somewhere. So I'm going to put it in here. So we have our 5 20ths. Then add. Now it's time to get our 2 fifths now. So if we go down this way, we get our fifths. That's 1/5. And that's 2 fifths. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're now going to add that to 8. And our final answer will be final answer will be 3 and 13 20ths. And we can count them to make sure. All right. So we know that these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7. No. Hold on there. Hold on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hold on there. So let's count this thing now. So it's 8 of the fifths of the 20ths, and we should have 5 of these. So guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 of these, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You could count it that way. Or you count 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's our answer. Simple. All right.